If you want to unlink your YouTube TV account from Facebook, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the disconnection is done properly. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Start by launching the YouTube TV app on your device or visiting the YouTube TV website on your browser. Step 2. Access settings. Once you are logged in, navigate to the settings menu. This can usually be found by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Go to account settings. In the settings menu, look for the account or linked accounts section. Click on it to view all the accounts linked to your YouTube TV. Step 4. Find Facebook link. In the list of linked accounts, locate the Facebook option. There should be an option to manage or unlink this account. Step 5. Unlink Facebook. Click on the Unlink option next to Facebook. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure that your YouTube TV account is successfully disconnected from Facebook. After completing these steps, your YouTube TV account will no longer be linked to Facebook. If you encounter any issues, consider checking the help section of YouTube TV for further assistance.